The Marzi and Costa show!
And hands too!
Yeah!
Hi!
Hi everybody, I'm excited!
Yeah! Today we're gonna make chia pudding!
Yeah!
Yay!
I love it. Love it.
Hi, Hands!
Hi, hands. Alright. So let's get this party started!
Yeah, this is a healthy, refined, sugar-free pudding dessert. So yummy! You can even have it for breakfast if you want.
Oh, I love that.
So let's start with about 2 cups of non-dairy milk. Today we're using oat milk.
You got this, hands?
Yeah, you do. Pour it in the blender. Ooh, look at that.
That looks good.
The next is about a half a cup of chia seeds. Chia is high in omega-3s for a plant.
Wait, you know what? Where did chia seed come from?
I forget. Let's ask the professor.
Yeah, let's ask. Professor! Where's chia seeds from?
Chia seeds, you say?
Me.
Indeed, yes, Phineas. They're from Central America. Indeed. They're from the desert. Did you know that, Phineas? Oh, of course you did. They're also loaded with omega-3.
Me.
Which is...
Me.
Yes, it is good for the heart. Well, that is all. Good day, sir.
Me. Wow.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Then we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla powder for flavor.
I'm more of a chocolate guy.
You can add chocolate, but we didn't measure out chocolate today. It's vanilla.
Okay.
And for some extra flavor, we're gonna put in about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty.
That's nice. Oh, look at that. I like the color.
Okay, now we gotta sweeten it up.
Sweeten it.
We're gonna use maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
You gotta measure it out, Hands.
Sweet like you, Marzi.
Sweet like Hands. Chia.
Oh, that's interesting looking. It kind of looks like caramelized sugar.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Then you just blend.
You got this, Hands?
You can blend a little if you want to have the texture of the seeds, or you can blend till smooth. Chia seeds make like a gel when they're wet.
Oh, okay.
You can use it as an egg replacer too.
But this is better for you than pudding, huh? Regular pudding?
Well, yeah, because it's all good food.
Yeah.
Nothing weird. Hands doesn't have the
Oh,
blender
it's not plugged in. Yeah. Hands, don't go plug it in. Oh, that was exhausting. Okay.
Good job, Costa.
It's plugged in.
Okay, should work.
Yeah. Okay, it's blended. Now
All
what?
right. Then you pour it in some cups and put it in the fridge.
Yep.
That needs to gel up in the fridge with the cold, but instead, Hands, no, it's okay. We got one ready.
Oh, look how pretty.
Yeah, we'll put some blueberries on it. It's yummy.
That's pretty. I
Yeah,
can't wait.
But you could put chocolate in if you wanted.
That's gonna be my
I
dessert.
recommend raw cacao.
Do you want to joke.
Okay.
That food looks good.
I'd try it.
Yeah, me too.
Looks good. All right.
Good job, Hams.
Good job, Hans. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.